that an earthquake? By Alan Bagnall. Mum, I can feel our house shaking. Is that an earthquake?
No, that's just a truck. A big logging truck, rumbling and grumbling, shaking our house.
Mum, is that an earthquake?
No, that's the twins, jumping on the beds, jumping and bumping, shaking our house.
Dad, is that an earthquake?
No, that's a train. A long goods train, trundling and rumbling, shaking our house.
Is that an earthquake?
No, that's the wind, howling and growling, squeaking and creaking, blowing our house.
Is that an earthquake?
No, that's Dad snoring, rumbling and roaring, grumbling and wobbling, shaking the floor.
Is that an earthquake?
Yes, this is an earthquake. Wake up, Dad! Come here, twins. Get under the table.
This is an earthquake. Rattling the windows, wobbling the doors, shaking the floor.
That was an earthquake. A very scary earthquake. Rattling my bones and chattering my teeth. Our house has stopped shaking, but I haven't.
What to do in an earthquake? Get under a table quickly. Hold on to a leg of the table so that if the table moves, you can move with it. If there are no tables, move away from windows, curl up on the floor, and cover your head with your hands, or you could take cover in a doorway. If you are outside, move into an open space. Curl up on the ground and cover your head with your hands.